It's so good to be here again. Thank you all for watching Fofolicious Food Bites. I sincerely appreciate all your views and comments. My craving today is super healthy and packed with so much nutrients. Come and see what I'm having for lunch. Moi Moi rice with grilled millet fish stew. For Moi Moi, I'll be using beans, vegetable oil, seasoning, beef stock, a little water to adjust, red, green, bell pepper, spring onions, carrot, boiled egg, onions, tatachi, rudo, bawa, and my Moi Moi leaf. And for my stew, I have mullet fish, pomo, grounded tomato, pepper, onion mix, vegetable oil, mixed spices, and rice. Let's get cooking. I peeled and cleaned the beans, blend with onions, pepper, and let's add the vegetable oil, salt, the bouillon cubes, seasoning, beef stock, water, red and green bell pepper, spring onions, carrot, boiled eggs. Wow, this momo is going to be super delish. Mix it well, wash your leaf, make a cone-like shape, pour the beans, mix, fold and arrange into the pot. Add just about 1 or 2 cups of water, and you can add more water as it steams. Then cover with more leaves. Next, I'm preparing the mullet for grilling. Clean and slice the fish, marinate with salt, spices for about 1 hour. Then it's time to grill. With my moi moi steaming, let's focus on the stew. I pour some oil into the pot, add my grounded pepper mix, add the seasoning, mix and allow it to cook a bit, then add the pomo. This place is all filled with the moi moi aroma. The leaf brings out such a distinct flavor and it is super tasty. So can you see the green vibrant color is now brown? You can tell the moi moi is done. Back to the stew. The fish is ready to go into the stew. Countdown to tasting starts now. Mix the stew gently once the fish is in the stew. And the final moment is here. Moi moi done, stew done, and I made my rice earlier. It's serving time. Let's taste the deliciousness with a cold glass of Fofolicious fresh orange juice. I am truly satisfied. Please recreate this meal and keep watching Fofolicious Food Bites for more simple, healthy, and nutritious, satisfying recipes. Thank you.